A fixed assets module in Hinawi ERP controls the life cycle of assets, from purchase to disposal. Operating since 1998, Hinawi ERP supports multiple languages and offers customizable templates. The system records all details of fixed assets: purchase date, supplier, cost, warranty, and location. Depreciation is automatically calculated using the straight-line method, ensuring accuracy and compliance. Each asset links to a specific location, providing visibility into costs and insights for decision-making. The system offers comprehensive reports, including depreciation schedules and maintenance costs, with advanced search capabilities. Hinawi ERP ensures security with detailed user permissions and an audit trail for every asset transaction. The Fixed Assets module integrates seamlessly with accounting, HR, maintenance, and project modules. Choose Hinawi ERP for a comprehensive system that transforms asset management into actionable insights, ensuring you're always a step ahead.